Hi, I am Dr. Pravakar from Aruna Memorial Hospital, Guwahati. I have been using this Sound Reach, Exxon Sound Reach for last 5 years without any trouble, and its interface is very smooth and I am very much satisfied with it. Thank you.
And what about the probe and all the life and
Probe life, it goes on and goes on.
goes on and goes on.
Goes on. It depends upon the use, how you use.
Right, very good. And of course the cleaning and all.
Cleaning. Yeah, usually our OT staff used to clean it.
Right.
During surgery, we cleanse the blade with hydrogen peroxide. That's all.
Right.
After that, we used to do the chemical sterilization, full hand instrument immersion, unlike other harmonics or other brands. Yeah.
And how do you rate our Exxon services?
Out of 10, I cannot say 10. Maybe 9.5.
Okay, thank you very much. Can I share your video on our social media platform, sir?
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you very much, sir.